guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a new plan with me. Excuse my voice, it's very early in the morning and I feel like I've just woken up. This is my coffee. Okay, so today we have a plan with me in my October monthly pages, and this is what it looks like. It's a little late. It's already the, what's today? I think today's the 7th. Yeah, today's the 7th. And this is the kit that we will be using. This is available in my shop right now, paperjoyph.com. And this is called the October Geometric. And this is your side cover, your covers for the weeks, and then date strips, and then covers at the bottom as well. And then you also get a second page, a smaller second page that looks like this. And this is the bottom covers, so both of them, right and left. You have bildews and you have a bunch of scripts here, and then these tiny strips at the bottom. So this is my weeks for my shop. I am now using this for my shop. I used to have a different planner for this, but I had to use this for my shop because I'm using this. So this is the hedgehog for my school stuff. So today is a chill day because today I'm just gonna film and not gonna do anything. I have released last night all the new kits in the shop. Go ahead and check it out. We now have a new matte version if you are interested in another sticker paper, because this one that I'm using is still our glossy paper, because I use a lot of fountain pens in my planner, in my Hobonichi weeks. But if you use ballpoint and gel pens so that there's lesser wait time for drying, you can go ahead and use the matte one. So I'm going to start with the side cover. There you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and put stickers at the bottom. So I think I'm going to use this for the left. So once again, the glossy paper is cream and fountain pen friendly, and the matte sticker paper is bleached white, and it is ideal for ballpoint and gel pens. I am actually filming, it's been a while since I last filmed, because the plan with me and videos that you have been seeing in my YouTube channel are all pre-filmed before I left for my business trip. Let's see. So here I'm out of town and now I am back. So I flew in Manila on Monday. It's a little late, and I did not bring this planner because this was for my shop, and I did not bring a big enough bag to bring all of my Hobonichi weeks. There's something wrong with my voice today. So this stayed home, and that's why I'm just gonna start with it. I could have started these last few days, but then I was busy with school and I could not bring myself to film as of yet until today. So here we go. So that's what it looks like now. So you have, once again, side cover, bottom covers, and weekday covers. So we are going to start with our strip stickers now. So all of these go here, all of these go here. And we're going to start with number 1. My boyfriend and, my fiance and his family are at church. That's why it's a little quiet right now. And it's ideal for filming. I'm still going to film one more video after this. I'm not going to film a new releases video right now. But I am going to film a plan with me also in this planner, because I need to catch up. I've actually only had one day for shop this entire week because I am so busy with school. I went on a conference. It's our biggest conference for the field that I'm at. And I did not present a paper because I was too busy to make one. So I didn't make the deadline. I still went for networking and parties, mostly parties, because we throw the biggest parties ever. It's super fun. We had a party at the pool one time, and that was the funnest thing ever. I was like drunk nearly every night because of all the parties, and I haven't partied this hard in so long because I'm not really that young. So my party going days are few and far in between now, and so I took the opportunity, because I wasn't presenting a paper, to just attend all the parties, and it actually panned out very well because I came home with so many projects. In January, I'm going to Taiwan, for example, and then someone is coming over in May to take a look at my stuff, and then I'm also negotiating with a professor for a visiting research student thing that's going to go on. And then I have 2 papers on the move right now, and I'm hoping that I could get some time for the shop, like more than 1 day a week. I do have a business partner who is my fiance, and he is taking care of all the things while I am busy with school. We co-own the shop. We started it together as a couple, and now it's gotten really substantial, and we are very happy with it. So here I have this strip, and this is going to go here. So if you have the geometric or the cute monthly kit for October, it is formatted the same way. It's just that the graphics are very different, because this one is very like, oof, so crooked. Okay, this is crooked. This is straight. Let me see if I can fix that. So this kit, the art is very grown up, I think. Let me see. There we go. That's a little better. Okay, so this kit is very grown up compared to the cute one, which I just showed you in my other planner. And then I'm gonna put down this little box here, just lining it up and then letting it go and do its thing, because the 16th of the month is our monthsary, and we still celebrate it. We make sure that we have time on our monthsary to spend time together. And then, okay, I think we are finished. I don't think I'm going to use this. Okay, I'm going to use this though. Like hello October and stuff. I haven't picked out the pen that I'm going to use yet. I think I want to black out something else. Oh, here. Okay, because that's a holiday already. We have a giant holiday on Halloween, and the reason that I'm going to film a Plan with Me is because I'm gonna start using the kits for Halloween starting this week, and this week, and this week, and this week, and this week. Okay, I'm gonna put down Build You for my Shopify. I've had issues with it last night as I was putting up all the new releases. What a bummer. And then I'm gonna put it in another Build You here. It's supposed to be on the 31st, but since that's a holiday, okay, I'm just gonna put it on Monday, because I'm not sure if there's a banking day or the bank is open on the 30th, if the 30th is a banking day. I'm gonna put payday down on the usual payday. I'm actually at a crossroads right now in my career, because I think I'm gonna have to quit school. No, not school, but teaching, so I can focus on school. I have a deadline. I have several deadlines. I have a deadline this week. The deadline is on Friday. So the scripts are very, very tiny, so that it'll fit there nicely. And then I don't think I'm going out of town. I don't remember if there are any birthdays. I guess I'm just going to use this when I need to, because right now all I know is that I have a deadline here, and then that's about it. I do have meetings on Tuesday. Okay, I'm going to save this. That's why it's on a tinier sheet, so that if you use the the hedgehog would be better. If you have this tiny thing here that came when you purchased your weeks, then you can use it. Why won't it open? I don't have it in my Waffles, but I do have it in my other weeks, which is this one, and it's just there. So I'm gonna save this bit, and I guess we are done. I'm just gonna save it here. And I'm just gonna put in stuff, and I'll be right back. Alright, and I'm back, and this is what we have right now. I just put in a few things, and I'm sorry for that. I didn't let it dry properly before I like put my hand on it or rested my hand on it. It's actually here. And if you are a fountain pen user, then you know how that feels. So it's looking very nice. This ink, I think, is a Sailor Kin Mokusei. I will put it down somewhere here in this video. And this is the pen that I was using. This is the Pilot Metropolitan. And it is in orange, so orange ink, orange pen. Super cute and very easy for me. So I'm just going to put my, what is this, bookmark. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos using Hobonichi books, not just weeks, but I also have Cousin in A6, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It is paperjoyph, just like my shop, that is paperjoyph.com. So all the sticker kits and basically most of the stickers that I use in my videos are from my shop. We are at 10% off for all the matte sticker paper options. So if you want to try the mattes, now is a very good time to get it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!